One individual who's been taken into custody. Who is he? The Narcotics Bureau has got the custody of former Dharma Production employee Kshitij Prasad. That's till October 3rd in connection with the drug allegations. India Today TV has accessed the remand copy that says that Kshitij Prasad purchased drugs from businessman Ankush Arneja. The NCB also claiming that Kshitij was allegedly involved in dealing with illicit drugs and ganja was recovered of a certain quantity from his house. Meanwhile, Kshitij Prasad has already cried foul. He says he's being framed and has nothing to do with what was found from his house and that nothing was really even recovered. Now, the Narcotics Bureau officials are trying to join the dots. Remember, if there is a drug cartel at all. Kshitij Prasad is facing accusations of procuring and supplying drugs to high-profile individuals in the industry. He apparently got drugs from South Mumbai-based one restaurant owner by the name of Ankush Arneja, who's already under the custody of the Narcotics Bureau. Ankush was reportedly buying banned narcotics from arrested suspected peddlers by the name of Sanket and Anuj Keshwani. Now, the NCB agents are trying to join these missing dots to get a bigger picture of who could possibly be involved and in what sort of drugs production.
Everybody
Let's go across now directly to Mumbai. My colleague Mustafa Sheikh is now joining me. Mustafa, from day one, you've been tracking all the latest from the Narcotics Bureau investigation. So it seems, while no fresh summons, Mustafa, for the actors, at least there are some individuals from the industry who are in custody and their drug racket chain trail is being explored. What are allegations against Kshitij Prasad?
Yes, Pooja, because Kshitij Prasad is what we are told that he is a consumer of narcotics, and there was 15 times a trade with him and one of the drug peddler who has been arrested has taken place, and there is record for the NCB to prove that something like this has happened. But because importantly Kshitij Prasad has a background of Hindi film movies, he was associated with Dharma Production, and hence they are wanting his custody. They wanted it for more days, 9 days about, but they got it for 7 days. And from here they'll start linking it, whether there are more such people in Bollywood, circles in Bollywood where there are narcotics being consumed, there are WhatsApp groups, whether some parties, who are the other drug suppliers. So these are other things, because if a person who is found to be consuming and saying in such a case, he may know some more suppliers who provide drugs to Bollywood celebrities, and hence his remand was asked for 7 days. Being a consumer of narcotics, he has been given a 7 days of remand, which is a big thing, and now the NCB could unearth some more angles in this story. Back to you.
Mustafa, keep tracking all the latest. Some names are emerging, but it's very interesting because no fresh summons yet. What precisely could be the focus now of the Narcotics Bureau investigation? Thank you so much, Mustafa, for all the latest.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.